Those firearms are becoming quite formidable.
Second time they've transformed like that.
Third.
If that was the third time, when was the first?
The day I was kidnapped. When my mom died.
We should continue our investigation for the dog.
We'll need to get this wreckage out of the way first.
I am Groot.
Groot's right. Should move if we give it a jolt.
I wonder what else Peter's guns can do.
If you'd let me look at him, I could tell you.
Should we call Cosmo? Let him know what we found so far?
What do you mean, a code word? Fine. Groot won't call the mud until we all agree on a code word.
Could be useful if we get cornered by whatever's on the ship.
How about Will Kill?
Ooh, oh! The code word is Ride the Stars. And we should hold off calling Cosmo until we figure out what's going on.
We should also standardize our use of the term dog report item.
This is the only way out, but the door's got no juice.
Dog report item. Something caused Nova Corps to abandon their ship.
There, you all felt that, right?
Yup. Dast. Looks just like what happened on the rock.
Indeed, it was a desperate attempt at a last defensive position.
Good bottleneck for it.
All the blaster scorch marks are from standard issue Nova rifles.
If this was a fight, then where are all the bodies?
Good point. There weren't any in the evacuation hangar either.
Maybe everyone escaped.
I wouldn't get your hopes up, Peter.
Okay, we need to get to Corell's office.
Someone tell Quill.
Come on, dude. Can't we just talk to each other?
Fine. You do know your girlfriend probably didn't make it.
Now you are just being spiteful.
Wish I knew the layout of this tub better. Then we could figure out where this started. You know where we are, Gamora?
Not really. Nova never really let me out of their sight.
They had good reason not to trust you.
This again?
I was only stating that Nova's position of not trusting you is accurate.
Here's the deal. We figure out what is going on here, and then we can figure out how to work better together.
So, just ignore the obvious while it's inconvenient? No wonder we've been stumbling around in the dark.
Oh, ho, ho! Look at you, you sexy beast.
Stop flirting, Rocket. Is it supposed to be upside down?
Only if you wanted to channel all the ship's power up through the ceiling. Makes no sense to me.
There must be a reason. A bad one. Try that console.
We can use this to re-invert the core, or de-invert... Devert?
Rocket.
The console's safety locked because the mounting arms are retracted. If we can pop them out of them side panels, we can flip the core.
It is time
Here it comes.
for Peter Quill's mask to guide us with its mysterious power.
Ain't nothing mysterious about it. I programmed the Dastin thing.
There's gotta be more machinery up there. Gamora, give me a boost!
Of course!
Definitely something up here! Hell yeah, it worked!
You know, them guns would make better engineering tools than weapons.
Nice try. Let's get the other one free. All right, Gamora, let's get the second one done.
Okay!
That did it! Get back down here! Well, stop flarking around. It ain't gonna work without the arms. Now...
Guys! We've got incoming!
infected freaks!
Man, I was hoping we'd find Nova Corps here, but not like this!
Now we know who inverted the core. But why? Stupid Nova Order! Remind me to sharpen my blade!
We survived all this, Scott, and I'll make you a new one! A bigger one! Maybe we ain't losing to a bunch of subpar Nova Corps garbage!
Our brains are the superior technology.
Definitely not the Nova Corps I was hoping to find here!
See a stupid helmet? Shoot a stupid helmet!
Will this be added to our permanent records?
This isn't Nova Corps! They can't hold us responsible!
Brace yourself!
Rocket! Nuke 'em!
Any last words?
Prepare for pain!
Let loose, Rocket! String 'em up, Groot!
Dodge this!
Sick 'em, Drax!
With pleasure!
That Nova Corps dude was bonkers!
Way to knock some sense into him!
Stop him short, Groot!
What's next, Peter?
And
Did
that's
you notice
why
the
I'm the
rumbling stopped
leader!
when we flipped the reactor away from the ceiling?
We must find a way up there and discover why. For the dog report.
Rocket, what's that console telling you?
That you should come do the honors.
Okay...
Surprise! This whole thing's a lift. We can ride it all the way up there.
I guess Nova grunts and grease monkeys don't get the cool flying suits.
Typical. Nobody respects their engineers these days. If you want efficiency, you gotta make... Whoa! Clark!
Locking clamps! They're shutting us down!
More freaks approach!
Florkers de-reinverted the core again!
We'll just have to reinvert it back!
After we take some heads! Peter got hit? Shocking!
Definitely not the Nova Corps I was hoping to find here!
See a stupid helmet? Shoot a stupid helmet!
That fruity white guy's really starting to tick me off!
I agree! The electric-wielding corpsman must perish next!
These freaky Novas ain't much of an improvement over the real ones!
Come on, there's a big difference! Check!
Quill just got nuked! Hilarious! Bombs won't do scut!
Then let's take him out first!
Peter Quill, unleash me onto these fools!
Lay on the hurt!
What's next, Peter?
I am having some difficulty!
Those mines are gonna be an issue! To the floor!
Right with you, Bacon!
Bet you've never know normally you're not supposed to travel through dimensions without a portal?
Whoa! Clark!
Locking clamps! They're shutting us down!
More freaks approach!
Florkers de-re-inverted the core again!
We'll just have to re-invert it back!
After we take some heads!
Yeah! Just try not to get shot by the big guns, bud!
Carve him a new one! Prepare yourself, Steve! What happened? Did we trip an alarm?
Yes! Bring more! Let us even the odds!
If it weren't for that fancy pants Nova Corps armor, I swear!
So, let's take that strip-neck soldier out then!
Stay clear of the mine!
I bet an arc over that Nova junk any day!
Our brains of superior technology!
No, they ain't cops! They're great!
Better than a cup of coffee!
Scott knocking Clark
This
back!
has got my name on it!
The rodent is being overwhelmed! I am primed to destroy! What are these lights obscuring my vision?
Might want to check on that, Peter! I thought you'd never ask!
In my feelings!
Bet you've never felt so alive, though!
That floating mine guy is really starting to tick me off!
Thank you, Peter Quill!
Help!
I'll be your wingman anytime!
Thanks, Peter.
That's why I'm here. Drax, destroy!
Face me! I will handle them all! Do not let them distract you!
Right! Because who doesn't want to get shot in the back? Stay on them!
From mine!
Peter got hit? Shocking!
Let's kick some butt, huh?
Put me back in, coach! Those mines started
Peter
to piss
Quill,
me off!
I will call you some assistance!
Hey,
Thought
Quill!
someone got
I think
stabbed.
the big guy sees stars!
I will not be bested so easily!
Barely a flesh wound. You'll be fine.
That target requires precision!
Yup, I'll enjoy this.
They seek to reverse our progress!
Good! That means we disrupted something!
Ha! Good luck with those mines now! Don't know which bugs me more! Nova Space Cops or Nova Space Hulk!
At least you can reason with the real ones! Battlefield is way too busy with all these mines!
The traitor must feel the brunt of our cooperation!
Pulverize! Blow them
No
up!
mercy!
Think of them as an invasive species, brute!
Don't get hit by the mines! Bet you've never felt so alive, though!
Heads up! He's got mines!
Attacking Nova Corps could raise our fine!
They targeted us! We have a right to defend ourselves, don't we?
Like a hot knife!
If it weren't for that fancy pants Nova Corps armor, I swear!
You all but said it! Let's kill those mines are gonna be... There's too many!
Looks like even she's got her limits! No, they ain't cops! Underutilized! They're freaks! Did anyone grab
Let's
that
try that
freaking
again,
shield?
shall we?
Let us resume at full force!
Wipe them out, Rocket!
I will deal with these fools! Continue with your
All right,
investigation!
let's get those clamps off so we can keep moving.
I will tear them from their sockets!
Ain't gonna work, Musclehead. But this time, we've got a control room to play with. Looks like I can remove the clamps from here.
Good. We will not be stopped by clamps.
Ah, sneaky dash bags. They scrambled the power circuit, so I can't release them.
I grow tired of these clamps.
Gonna have to reroute the circuits one by one to reset the power grid. Here, I'll get the door for you. You should be able to see the grid with your visor.
Yeah, that's what I'm looking for.
I am Groot.
Groot's right. Maybe we should just call Cosmo, tell him we tried, and port the Flark out of here. It ain't our fault Scott was locked down.
We will not fail at our mission.
I mean, that sounds great and all, but we usually fail at our missions.
Okay, visor's up, now what?
You should see power grids along the walls around here. Find their powered up nodes.
Looking for glowy power nodes.
Right. When you find them, you need to electrify the junction switch in the direction you want the power to flow.
Shoot them with electricity?
Yeah, we're aiming for big, glowing lines routing back towards the clamps in the middle. Kinda wondering why Cosmo didn't fetch a bunch of his muscle and do this himself.
It is simple. We required professionals.
Yeah, the poocher don't even need to lift the paw to take down Lady Hellbender's invincible goons, needs us. Real likely.
Maybe I can get up higher to see what's going on.
Any ideas?
Working on it.
This would go a lot faster if we all had the ability to scan.
Got a locked door. Can you open it? Groot, I think I have an idea. Use your roots to raise that platform with me on it. Kind of a root boost thing.
I am Groot.
He's eager to try this root boost. Neat trick. Groot loves being helpful.
He's always helpful. Okay, I bet I can reroute the power to get myself back out of here.
Solid plan.
Did that do anything?
Not yet. You'll have to reroute a couple of them.
Huh. What did that open?
What does Howler's Hope do anyway? Other than being a giant pain in the tail.
It's a peacekeeping ship.
Capable of extreme violence.
Doors open, and I got the power flowing through.
Almost qualified to be a junior engineer.
Thanks.
I see it now. You've got half of it rerouted. Now work on the other room.
Okay, I'm getting the hang of this. Might be gunning for your job soon.
You want to trade? I'm happy to sit in the captain's seat.
You frequently sit in the captain's seat.
I did not just hear that. Oh boy, Groot's gonna be happy. Groot, need your help, buddy. Root boost, please. Looks like the wall's weak here.
Perhaps the Nova Killer knows how to redirect these machines. She has experience.
Drax, I need a hole here to reach the grid.
And you will have one.
Looks like you did it, Starpants. Now get into the control room and hit that clamp release. I'll re-invert the core at the same time and get us moving again. Everybody stay alert.
Clamps are unclamped.
Slick. Now get back in here before we leave you behind.
Yeah, let's see how far you get without your button pusher.
Now that we know the infected Nova are here, we can agree that whatever's going on upstairs is really bad, right?
They were furious when we removed their power source. Must be important to their effort here.
Can't wait to smash it. Whatever it is.
And then get back to Cosmo for our reward.
All right, this is our floor.
These doors are sealed tight.
Just look for another way out.
Okay, this has potential. Rocket, can you pop open that panel? Drax, hit that panel where all the wires connect.
Step aside.
Come out to the coast, we'll get together, have a few laughs.
What's that?
Nothing.
No, that! They must have flipped the core back. Something's powering up again.
Great. Now we're stuck in the ventilation. Great job, Quill.
Dude, I know you're peeved, and I'm sorry.
Apology accepted.
Really? That's it?
In case you hadn't noticed, there's more important things happening right now than Quill saying he's sorry.